Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. So first of all, I'm going to show you some things. So after that, you guys can be able to see how you can create broadcast channel on Instagram. So here in the first news, you guys can see, can anyone create a broadcast channel on Instagram? And the answer is you need to have a creator account to start broadcast channel, not a business or personal account. First of all, you keep in mind that you have to create a creator account. So how you guys can create a creator account? You guys can see my previous videos. I have already told you that how you can create a professional or creator account on Instagram. After creating the creator or professional account, what you have to do is, here is the first Instagram help center. You guys can see Instagram told us you have to tap on the DM button. After tapping on DM button, you have to tap on pen button. After tapping on pen button, you have to tap on create broadcast channel option. After tapping on it, now you guys can be able to create a broadcast channel. Now I'm going to tell you how you can do this. First of all, open up your Instagram application. After opening up Instagram application, you have to tap on the top right corner of messages. You have to tap on top right corner of pencil icon. Here you guys can see we are unable to see create broadcast channel option. But why? I have already told you, you have to first create a professional account or creator account. After creating a professional or creator account, you guys can be able to see an option which is create broadcast channel. You have to tap on it, and in this way you guys can easily create a broadcast channel. Or by individually selecting each one, you guys can able to create a community, and in this way you guys can be able to create a broadcast channel. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.